Hi Zesties. Okay, today let's make some cheese chicken. I bought this off of Amazon. Cheese seasoning mix. It came with like way more than I was expecting. So I'm gonna use this crunchy chicken from the box. And then save the sauce packet for a different time. I'm getting my stuff ready that I'm gonna throw on it at the end. You know what? Because why not? Why not do it up extra? I don't think cilantro will be good. I wonder if the green onions will be good. Okay, well I cut up 2 Thai chili peppers, some green onion, and I food processed some peanuts. Okay, well let's put the chicken in the air fryer. Put some dumplings on low heat and covering them. You know what, let's do the sesame seeds before it's too late. I'm sorry it's hard to get like all the burners in view. I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. Maybe I am doing too much, because from what I've seen online, they just do the cheese. Wait, no. I'm doing it my way. Hit the chicken with some spray. Try to get as much of that chicken coated. Okay, should be good. I've turned up the heat of this to try to time it with this so they come out at the same time. Try to shake it around a little more to make sure none of the pieces are like soggy or stuck at the bottom. And I'm rotating the pot stickers so that they get crispy on all sides, if possible. Flipping it once more to try to get whatever side is still missing. I had turned this off to try to get it all done at the same time, and now I'm turning it back on. Okay. Actually, these are a little greasy. Whatever, I don't care. I'm not drying them or anything. Now I have the pot stickers. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to use this cheese powder that I have never used before, but I saw Koreans using it and I got curious. Very cheesy. I want to make sure it's cheesy enough because this is cheese chicken. I don't want it to get over, I don't want other flavors to overpower the cheese. Is that cheesy enough, Zesties? I think that's cheesy enough. You know what? Let's do a little bit more. Couldn't hurt, right? We are making cheese chicken. Let's make it really cheesy for my first time. Okay. Well, it sure smells interesting, Zesties. Okay, so there's the cheese. Now I'm gonna sprinkle on some peanuts. Some seeds. Some Thai chili pepper. And some green onion. Let's shake that around. Okay. The other stuff aside from the cheese did not stick as well as I was hoping. Oh well, now I know next time just put everything, if you're gonna do cheese, anything extra must go on top. Now I have to do this. Ugh, I wish I would have done this differently, Zesties. You know what? Whatever. I don't need all that stuff anyway. Oh, it's there. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Oh, I really... You know what? It's all good. Now I'm going on with that 2 times spicy. Of course. But I don't want it to overpower the cheese. Should I hit it? You know what? I am gonna hit it with this. Why not? Let's do it. Ooh, I can't wait till I do this the next time. I can already tell this is gonna be a hit when I do it right. Well, you know what? Oh. Sorry, Zesties. I'm new, so I need to remember to keep everything like in view and whatever. You know. Okay, I think that looks perfect. What do you guys think? That is cheesy spicy chicken. Yum. Good. Delicious. Sure smells good.